I am feeling real good today because I'm looking real good today.
Bad girl, living now. Swear, leaving now.
Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am in a good mood today. I am feeling real good today because I'm looking real good today. If you're new to my channel, I'm going to ask you to get out of here, go to my homepage, hit that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell so you're notified every single time I drop a new video. Today your girl is feeling real bronzy because what I have on right now is some new products from Fenty Beauty. You know, my girl Bad Gal Riri. She done dropped some new products and I'm so late on this. The only reason I'm late on this is because I filmed this video already, but I wasn't satisfied with the quality of the video, so I had to go do it again because I'm gonna give you dolls some really good quality content. Like, it has to make sense. Last time I think I just rushed through it, but this time I took my time, and my hair was in my face last time. For a look like this, you need your hair to be pulled back so that you can really grasp the warmth of the products and the color, the shade, the structure, what it actually does. So I wanted to refilm it again, and this is this is what we got going on today. I absolutely love it. So Rihanna dropped some new products. She dropped her Sunstalker Instant Warmth Bronzer, and this is in the shade Mocha Miami. It's such a lovely shade, but I'm gonna save it for the actual review. She also dropped a new Kilowatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter, and this is in the shade Penny for Your Thoughts. Today I'm gonna be using these two products along with some other products from Fenty Beauty that I've bought since, you know, the launches. And we're gonna review it, we're gonna have some fun, we're gonna try this one on my face, and you dolls are gonna let me know how I did. Well, I think I did really good because I feel good. I look good, I just look so bronzed. I'm gonna stop talking now and get right into the video. I'm gonna start off by priming my face, and I'm gonna prime my face with, of course, Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Primer. I absolutely love this primer. Being that we're doing a Fenty review, I'm actually going to use all of Fenty Beauty's products just because I think that products from the same brand complement each other more, and I'm sure that the formulas are going to complement each other more and go on way more smoother as opposed to me using another brand's products. So I'm going to start off by concealing and correcting with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer, and this is in the shade 430. Now, I wanted this to be like a highlighting type shade when I went out and purchased it, but it turned out to be more on the orangey tone side, so I'm going to be using this as a concealer and a color corrector. Now, I don't know if I said this before, but I absolutely love this concealer. Like, it's really crease proof. So I always put this concealer on first before putting on any other concealer or my foundation, just because I know it's gonna lock in my under eyes for good. Now I'm gonna quickly just set that with my Max Fix Plus. And blend that all in with my body sponge from Real Techniques. Being that I already did my brows, I always do my brows off camera, I'm gonna just blend my concealer in. And to set my lids, I'm using my Sephora Micro Smooth Finishing Powder. Now, I'm gonna experiment yet again with the bronzer and the highlighter, and I'm gonna use it on my eyes. I wanna go for an effortless look today, and I've been seeing Rihanna and all the other influencers that she's chosen to send PR to, or anyone that's used the new bronzers. I've seen them use it on their eyes. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna use Mocha Miami for my crease, and then I'm gonna use Penny for Your Thoughts on my lids. We're gonna crease it up. Now I have some almond shaped eyes, and they're really small, so I like to make them a little bigger by simply bringing my transition shade like into my nose and really around above my actual crease. So I create an invisible crease to just make my eyes look bigger. Then I'm gonna spray some Fix Plus onto my brush, and I'm gonna be using Penny for Your Thoughts on my lids. When I initially used this shade, it didn't give me like trophy wife booming highlight. It gave me really subtle, calm bronze and natural. So I'm guessing that's what it's gonna give me again today. And I don't know who told me to spray Fix Plus, but I'm just doing it. See, now if this is a highlighter as it said it should be, correct me if I'm wrong because I might be bugging, this definitely is the Kilowatt Foil Freestyle highlighter. This doesn't give me like booming highlight at all, and I think that I would definitely just want to use this on my lids. Like, I wouldn't want to use it anywhere else other than on my lids. What do you dolls think? And that's the most I would do with my lids. Then I would just blend my crease and my lid together. I'm also gonna blend up here. Perfect. So that's it for my eyes. Now let's continue on with the face. Y'all already know, holy grail, I pre-highlight with my matchstick, and this is in the shade Cinnamon. Oh, this is gonna be a really bronze look today, like extremely bronze. For foundation, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation, and this is in the shade 430. So with this foundation, because it's buildable coverage and it's like sheer soft matte, I definitely need more than one layer. Now I'm going to contour my face, and I'm going to be using the matchstick in the shade Espresso. I don't know, it's just something about Rihanna products that just gets me every time. I'm addicted. Unfortunately, I don't have a highlighting concealer from the brand. So today I'm going to be using my Kat Von D Lock It Concealer, and this is in the shade Warm D33. Now to set my under eye concealer, I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Instant Translucent Setting Powder, and this is in the shade Honey. Y'all already know, if you've seen my Fenty Beauty product haul, then you know that I wanted a darker shade in this, but this was all they had available, so we're going to work with this again today. I think this is too white, but we'll fix. We'll definitely be fixing. So I'm going to take my Sephora Micro Smooth Finishing Powder and just go over it to make sure that it's nicely blended. Now I'm going to take my go-to foundation powder, and this is the Bare Minerals Bare Pro in the shade Cove 28. I'm going to take this and I'm going to set my entire face. Now we're going to bring it back to Fenty Beauty's Sunstalker in the shade Mocha Miami. And we're going to bronze up and contour our cheeks. I love it. The warmth that this bronzer brings into the face is just amazing. It's like effortless. I see where you was going, boo. I see what you was trying to do. So I'm not too sure on if I want to use this as my nose contour, but let me show you something. So this is my regular contour shade. This is the True Complexion Contour Palette from Black Radiance, and this is Riri shade. So Riri shade is definitely a little bit more warmer than this one, but they're definitely close, and I absolutely love it. But since we are going for a nice effortless bronzy look, then I guess I'll use a little bit of this on my nose. Yes, I love it. Just to let you dolls know, so far I'm so satisfied with today's look. When I did it before, I wasn't feeling it. I really wasn't feeling it, and I definitely do think it had a lot to do with the style of my hair. Like, being that my hair is pulled back, I'm up close to the camera, I feel like this just looks so much cleaner and it looks so much better. With this look so far, I don't need any blush. I feel like the warmth of the bronzer is definitely enough to warm up my face and just make everything look real nicely structured. So instead of using blush today, I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics Wild and Radiant Baked Illuminating Bronzer Palette. And I'm going to just mix the shades up to give my cheeks a little glow. Yes, that is the glow I was looking for. Because I already told y'all I'm not here for Penny for Your Thoughts as a highlighter, but maybe it could be a good bronzer too. I'm going to set my face with my Charged Water Charcoal Spray from MAC. Now I'm going to show you dolls what Penny for Your Thoughts look like as a highlighter on the cheek. And I'm going to show you why I don't like it as a highlighter. So here we go. I don't know, it's kind of hard to tell. It's kind of hard to tell because I already threw the bronzer on, so maybe I shouldn't have done it. Actually, I like it on top of the bronzer. I wouldn't have it any other way. So when you're using Penny for Your Thoughts as a highlighter, definitely put something as a base highlighter, because I don't think it gives that highlight, that oomph of a highlight, but it's doing so good on my lids. Perfecto. Now I'm gonna go throw on my MINK nude lashes from my MINK lash collection, and I'll be right back with the final face beat. So here we have it, dolls, the final look. I threw on my MINK nude lashes from my MINK lash collection, and I just want to end off by saying that I absolutely love the Sunstalker Instant Warmth Bronzer in the shade Mocha Miami. Like, this thing right here is life. It just did so much for my face structure. It did so much for the aesthetics of my face. It just brought so much warmth into it, and I'm really digging this. Like, I feel like a tan right now. I feel like I've been in the Caribbean just tanning. I love it. Now, Riri, I just want to say that you doing a damn thing, girl. Like, she has some new stuff coming out soon for the summertime. I think she's coming out with some popping colored eyeliner, and I cannot wait to try that, because y'all know I play it safe with the neutral looks. Like, this is my go-to right here. This, I would wear this look every day. I absolutely love it. It's just so simple. It's so everyday-ish. It's so effortless, and that's what Rihanna's products does for me every single time she drops a new product. It just gives me a nice effortless slay. So if you dolls enjoyed this review, give me a thumbs up. If you dolls would like to see more reviews like this, give me another thumbs up. Give me some suggestions on what other videos you would like to see on my channel, because I'm really stepping it up. I want to put out lots of bomb content that I know you dolls would like to see, so let me know what you'd like to see. Let me refresh my lips really quickly with this gloss bomb in the shade Fussy. Absolutely love the gloss bomb lip glosses, all of them, all three of them. I love them. So that's it, dolls. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you dolls in my next video. Bye, dolls.